Police narrowly escaped saving his own life after he was attacked on Constant Spring Road in Kingston. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Low 7 TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. So, a dramatic scene unfolded on Constant Spring Road yesterday involving a policeman and an alleged attacker or attackers who tried to disembark on a rampage of a police officer in that area. So, yesterday there was a report that motorists should avoid Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew that is heading towards West Kings House Road after there was a shooting incident that involved a police officer and a number of men that tried to attack the cop. So yesterday, a section of the roadway at the intersection of Gore Terrace and Constant Spring Road in the vicinity of the CVM television broadcast house had to be reduced to single lane traffic based on a police investigation that was currently on the way. In the meantime, the police advised motorists to use Red Hills Road exit as the alternative route as they carry out a massive investigation into a shooting incident that took place earlier in the day. It was also advised by the police that members of the public are being reminded to follow directives of the police personnel on the scene of this incident. So you can just imagine right now the traffic that is in that area. So the development follows the shooting of two policemen who were on patrol in the area earlier Thursday morning. Reports are that around 1:30 a.m. the police team was on patrol in the area when they observed a white Honda Civic motor car parked on the roadway. The team approached the vehicle to check on the situation when the man inside immediately opened fire, hitting the lawman before attempting to escape the scene. So the police took evasive action and also returned the fire, and the car that the gunman were traveling crashed a short distance away, and the police gave chase to another that tried to flee the scene. So one of the armed men ran from the vehicle and the driver who was shot was held. All three persons were taken to hospital where the unidentified man was pronounced dead while he was undergoing treatment. Two police officers were severely injured and treated at the hospital for their injuries. And we will have more details to come on this in a later report. So some 30 spent shells have been recovered from the scene by investigators who are currently probing the incident. The shooting comes over 7 weeks after 4 police officers were shot and injured in the Horizon Park area of St. Catherine earlier last month. And in that incident, 3 police officers also succumbed to their injuries after that attack. One of those police officers that was taken out in that incident was also a superintendent known as Leon Clunes. The other was also a detective corporal, and he was also taken out in the incident, and he was laid to rest just last week Saturday. So when we look on this situation could have gone far worse after these individuals went on a rampage at these police officers, and they tried their best to elude capture based on the fact that they tried to flee the scene. However, the vehicle in which they were traveling crashed and a massive shootout ensued between them and the police. So the police recovered over 30 spent shells. So you can just imagine the amount of shots that were fired in this area at this specific time. So a bloodstained police shirt shows the magnitude of what really transpired on the streets in Kingston, and the number of spent shells that were found on the scene just shows you the magnitude of the impact of this incident that could have gone far worse. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we're out for these ones for now. Alright, please remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel as well. Alright, have a blessed day. Peace.